Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this winter lunch date glam tutorial. I'm using some of my favorite products today, so let's just go ahead and get started. First I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the NYX primer base in the shade Nude, and then I'm just going to go ahead and set that with some translucent powder. Today for eyeshadow I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A or the Dare to Create palette to create my look. First, I'm going to start with one of the transition shades. Next, I'm going in with the chocolate brown shade and I'm putting that in my crease and taking it to my outer V. Then I'm going to be taking a deep, rich purple shade and putting that on my lid. Then I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs Magic Marc'er Blacquer eyeliner and I'm going to be creating a dramatic wing. Once I finish the wing, now I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This is the Blur and Smooth one, and I'm retrying this one. I thought I would give it a try for this glowy look. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation, which is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade Mont Blanc. Now I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and I am in the shade Chantilly, and then I'll be going to be blending that out with an Eco Tools sponge. Now I'm going to be setting my whole face with my Coty Airspun powder, and then I was going to try to use this Benefit What's Up highlighter, but it left a streak on my face, so I reblended my foundation and then I continued to go ahead and set my face because that was canceled real quick. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and I'm using the lightest shade in the kit to contour my face. Now I'm taking the Benefit Cheek Parade palette, and even though the palette is limited edition, the items in the palette aren't, so you can still get them. So I'm using the Hoola bronzer to bronze and then the Galifornia blush for my blush today. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sweets Glow Kit and I'm mixing Marshmallow and Butterscotch for my highlight today. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and I'm going to be putting that on my top and my bottom lashes. And to finish up my look, I'm taking my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gemini, which is my favorite nude, and I thought it tied with the eyes really well. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, my winter lunch date glam tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye!